Sa panahon ngayon na usong-uso ang mga online scams at identity thefts, dapat i-secure natin yung mga personal details natin on the internet, lalo na on Facebook. Since halos lahat naman tayo may Facebook account. One way to make Facebook more safe for us is to lock our Facebook profiles. To make sure na Facebook friends lang natin yung may access sa mga posts, locations, and personal details natin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile in just 5 minutes. A quick disclaimer lang bago tayo magsimula. Lahat ng steps 100% working by the time I upload this video. If ever in the future, may mga steps or links na ayaw nang gumana, normal po yan. Kasi workaround lang to lahat. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kasi nag-upload ako ng mga updated tutorials regularly. So don't forget to subscribe para lagi kayong updated. Para sa mga hindi aware kung ano yung profile locking, let me show you a Facebook profile na nakalock. Kung hindi mo siya friend at wala din kayong common friends ng isang user na nakalock yung profile, ito lang yung makikita nyo when you view their profile. Lahat ng mga posts, pictures, and mga friends niya, hindi nyo makikita. Hindi nyo rin makiklik yung profile picture niya. Meaning, hindi nila malalakihan or masasave yung picture, which is important. Para hindi nila magamit yung picture natin to create a fake profile or for anything else na hindi natin authorized. So, ngayon na malinaw na, start na tayo. The first step is to go to the Play Store. Search lang natin yung Facebook and make sure na updated sa latest version yung Facebook application nyo. Ngayong updated na yung app, i-open na natin siya. Sa home screen, click nyo tong 3 lines sa upper right. Next, click on this gear sign to go to settings and privacy. Scroll nyo lang hanggang makita nyo yung audience and visibility. Diyan natin makikita yung profile locking. Click nyo yan. And then sa next page, ito yung makikita nyo. Number 1, only your friends will see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Number 2, only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. Number 3, people will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. Kung okay sa inyo yan, click this button to lock your profile. Kung wala pa din yung profile locking option sa account nyo, kahit sinunod nyo na yung mga steps kanina, punta lang kayo sa profile nyo by clicking this icon. And then sa profile page, click nyo tong 3 dots sa kanan. Sa profile settings, meron ulit kayong option na makikita to lock your profile. Click nyo lang yan. And then, mapupunta kayo ulit sa page na to, kagaya kanina. I strongly recommend na gawin nyo na tong profile locking procedure na to as soon as possible. Kasi kung matatandaan nyo, this was available before. Pero, bigla-bigla na lang tinanggal ni Facebook yung option na to. Kaya ngayong binalik na siya, hindi natin alam if this will be a permanent feature or mawawala na ulit sa next update. So, that concludes our tutorial and I hope nakatulong sa inyo. If you have questions or suggestions for our next video, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you in the next one.